Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be cleaning my kitchen, starting with the refrigerator, cleaning out the cabinets, trying to get some organization going on in this place. So let me go ahead and get started. The thing that I'm going to do is clean out the refrigerator. Kitchen is the second most favorite place in my whole house. The first place is my sun porch, but next to that is this kitchen. I love being in this kitchen, cooking and making new dishes with the children. Honestly, there are so many new things I would like to do with this kitchen. First, I would like to take all that backsplash off, and I would actually put some real tile floor down, and I would like to paint the kitchen cabinets white. Those are some things that I would like to do over the next couple of months, maybe a year, just kind of depending on finances and the time. I'm going to share some things about me and the children. So first, I am a widow mother of 3 children. I have a 12-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 3.5-year-old. I work a full-time job during the day. I would come home, cook, do homework, feed the children, play with them, and then they're in the bed. So that was our Monday through Friday routine. Now, we also have a weekend routine in which we would go to many places in the city, and I always try to find low cost or free events, because trying to get 4 people into a museum or an activity can become costly after a while. So sometimes I do splurge and I'll spend the money, but the majority of the time we are finding free stuff or low cost stuff, and a lot of times the city offer a lot of good activities and different things. So the supermarkets that I frequently shop is Aldi, of course. I also love Trader Joe's, and every now and then I will go into a ShopRite or a fresh grocer. But I also would go to the produce junction and kind of get my fruit in bulk and my vegetables in bulk. And that's pretty good too. My only issue with the produce junction is they give you sometimes a lot of the vegetables and the fruit, and sometimes we don't eat them quick enough and they go bad. So what I'm trying to do is freeze most of the stuff and give half of it away. That way it's not going to waste. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash the dishes that's in the sink. As of lately, we have been eating off of paper products because I dislike doing dishes. That's just not my favorite chore to do. So right now, I just try to keep them as limited as possible. So the paper plates, and sometimes I have paper cups. It's just so easy for us. And that way, we're only washing a little bit of dishes because we're just a busy family. Go. I'm going to tackle the top of the refrigerator and all of the cabinets. I am going to be completely honest with you guys. The items that was on the top of the refrigerator, they have been up there for several months. When I moved in, I kind of just put some stuff up there and said I would get back to it later, and later never happened. So today I am just excited that I'm getting all of this done. Guys really use these two cabinets above your refrigerator, or are there any cabinets in your house that's like in a really awkward place that you have to stand on a ladder to get to? Do y'all really use those? I mean, I have never used them, but now I'm going to use them as storage for some of my serving bowls. So right now, I am going to clean out the cabinets, try to wipe it down, organize my spice rack, this middle cabinet over top of my stove. And the last two cabinets I already did, but I did not film it. So I'll just kind of show you what I did a little bit later on.
Go.
So because everything is shut down or closed, I didn't have time to really get any new or updated organized bins. So what I'm going to do is repurpose and reuse what I have. So these were the bins that was on top of the refrigerator, just filled with a bunch of stuff. So I went in, kind of threw a lot of it away. And I'm going to use one for our plastic forks and knives because I throw a lot of parties for my children or different events at my home, so we always use them. I'm going to put some documents in one, and I believe I use some for under the kitchen counter to add some more cleaning supplies. Right now, I'm just going to put a few groceries that was left on this table. I'm going to put them away and try to organize it. Now, the counters that's on the right, I've already organized that. I did a vlog video and I talked about how I organized it, but I did not film it. So you can see that how. We are now at the end of this video. If you watched it to the end, I just want to thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like these cleaning videos, I'll be sure to try to make a lot more. I'm going to try to go through the entire house and get it organized and just to a system that works for me and my family.
go.